Can you actually make money on TradingView? That's the million-dollar question many aspiring traders and financial enthusiasts ask. Often seen as the go-to platform for charting and analysis, TradingView is an incredible resource, but is it a direct path to profit? The answer, like most things in the financial world, isn't a simple yes or no. It's more nuanced than that. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand what TradingView is and isn't. TradingView is not a broker. You don't directly trade real money on the platform itself, at least not in the sense of holding your capital there and executing live trades that impact your bank account. Instead, it's a powerful charting and social platform that connects to various brokers. Think of it as your sophisticated mission control center, providing all the data, tools, and community insights you need to make informed trading decisions, which you then execute through a separate brokerage account. So, how can you leverage TradingView to potentially make money? Let's break it down into several key avenues. The most direct way TradingView helps you make money is by providing superior analytical tools. Its advanced charting capabilities, extensive library of indicators, and customizable PineScript programming language allow you to develop and refine your trading strategies. You can backtest your ideas on historical data, identify patterns, and set up alerts for specific market conditions. This enhanced analytical edge can lead to more profitable trades when you execute them through your connected broker. For instance, imagine you develop a strategy using a custom indicator you coded in PineScript. TradingView allows you to test that strategy rigorously, understand its potential profitability, and then use it to guide your real money trades elsewhere. Beyond direct trading, there are other ways to monetize your expertise and presence on TradingView. One significant opportunity is through their partner program, which is essentially an affiliate program. If you have a following, whether it's through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even within the TradingView community itself, you can earn commissions by referring new users to their paid subscription plans. TradingView offers different commission tiers depending on the plan referred, with lucrative payouts for successful referrals. They offer a generous 90-day cookie window, meaning if someone clicks your link and subscribes within that period, you get the credit. Another avenue, particularly for those with strong programming skills in PineScript, is creating and selling custom indicators and strategies. The TradingView community is vast and constantly seeking new, effective tools to enhance their trading. If you can develop a unique and valuable indicator or strategy that solves a specific trading problem, you can offer it as an invite-only script or even sell it through third-party platforms, directing users to your TradingView profile for demonstrations. This allows you to leverage your technical skills to generate passive income. Furthermore, TradingView fosters a strong social community. By sharing your trading ideas, analyses, and educational content, you can build a reputation and attract a following. While this doesn't directly earn you money on the platform, it can lead to other opportunities, such as paid mentorships, exclusive content subscriptions, or even collaborations with financial brands outside of TradingView. Some traders also participate in TradingView's paper trading competitions, which occasionally offer real cash prizes for top performers. Finally, while TradingView does offer free access, their premium subscriptions unlock a wealth of additional features, such as more indicators per chart, advanced charting layouts, increased alert limits, and priority support. For serious traders, investing in a paid plan can significantly enhance their analytical capabilities and workflow, indirectly contributing to their profitability by providing a more robust and efficient trading environment. So, while TradingView itself isn't a trading account where you deposit money and hit buy or sell directly for profit, it absolutely provides a powerful ecosystem that can empower you to make money in various ways. From honing your trading strategies to leveraging their affiliate program or even selling your unique indicators, TradingView offers multiple pathways to financial success for those willing to put in the work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.